So let's take a look at how you can use Spectra Builder's testimonial block, right? So first thing, we can go to our WordPress dashboard, click on plugins, click add new. From here, I'm going to type in Spectra, right? And I can install the Spectra plugin and activate it. I can access Spectra from settings, Spectra, and here I can enable disable blocks. So we need testimonial block, right? So what we can do is open one of the page and edit it, right? And in that particular page I will add a new block and then make sure to edit it, right? So previously I was working with button block, so I'm going to replace that. Here you can type /, then we will have to check for Spectra, right? So Spectra blocks, where we have various other blocks as well. So to do check those, we will have to click on plus sign, as it will give you much clearer idea. Now here I will use testimonials block. Simply drop it or select by double clicking, right? So here you can see option to use this block. So starting from number of testimonials, currently it is set to 3, we can increase to 2, right? And then we can also have image for each of them, then carousel. Okay, you can pause on over autoplay, can set the speed, right? Then there is infinite loop for testimonials running, right? Then you have arrows, dots, or both, right? So choose arrows if you want. I prefer the dots. Then we have style. You can pick the content, right? So next would be company, right? Then we have advanced tab. So these are some of the things that we can make use of, right? So you can edit it, can make changes, right? And then once you do that, you can go ahead and update, right? And if I check this on new page, right, here you can see I have these dots through which I can check multiple testimonials, right? So as you can see, this is the testimonials block that you can use with Spectra Builder. Okay, I suggest changing few styles, especially the typography. Change the font if you want, right? All the system fonts and the Google fonts are supported here, right? So let's see if we can use some of them, right? So here I have few of them, right? So let's see, if you pick font like iceberg, right, and then update, right, and then if we check for the page view, we can see the font change there, right? And here you can see. So like this you can make some of those changes, and then you get to use the block in any specific part of your page or post.